Hello everyone and welcome to Droices Connect. My name is Priti Gupta and I am innovating Maven here at Droices focusing on AI services. In fact, I am one of the curious child in Droices Innovation Lab because here at Droices we believe the key to creativity and innovation is the curiosity. Let me share you a curious boy story also with you all. In 1920 there was a boy in England who used to ask so many questions to his teachers. One of his questions was if humans use available information as well as reasoning in order to solve a particular problem, then why can't machine take the decisions? Why can't they think? Yes, that boy asked this question at 1920. That was a silly question to many of us. But later in 1950, once he published his paper about computing machinery and intelligence, where he mentioned how to build intelligent machines and how to test their intelligence, that silly question became the foundation of the artificial intelligence. Can you guess his name? Let me give you a hint also. He was a famous English mathematician, a computer scientist, and he had decoded many of the secret codes during World War II. I will give you another hint also. A Hollywood movie was also made based on his character in 2014. Okay, I am getting some responses, right? Okay, so many of you have, yes, guessed his name correct. His name was Alan Turing. I think most of you have heard his name. That curious boy became the father of the artificial intelligence. Yes, he has started with the question. That's what we do here at Droices also. Here with Droices Innovation Lab, we offer the broadest and deepest set of tools for your business to create impactful AI driven solutions faster. Let me share some of our solutions with you all, which are used by our business partner from different domains. How many of you have you heard a disease known as autism? I think few of you have heard this disease. This is a disorder disease which affects the nervous system and it basically affects the overall cognitive, emotional, social, and physical health of the affected individual. According to the Centers for Disease Control, autism affects an estimated 1 in 54 children in the United States today. It's a very critical disease to a children. What about if anyhow we can diagnose this disease earlier? Yes, that is happening right now. One of our business partner from medical domain is using our machine learning and computer vision analysis to diagnose this disease earlier. Sounds cool? What about sports? Everybody likes to play sports or even watch the sports. Yes, I am also do the same thing. In India, cricket is very famous. It is a very famous sport. One of our business partner related to sports domain is using our thorough analysis of this league. How fascinating it is to predict a future performance based on the past data and on real time. That's what he is doing with our product. What about the shipping business? We have a business partner who ships their trucks all over the world, all over in India as well as other countries also. What he is doing with our product, with our AI driven solutions, he is using an app which helping his driver to move more efficiently, and it is saving their driver's time and as well as fuel also, so it is helping environment also. What about the retail business? In retail business, we have a solution which are helping the salespersons so that they can make smarter decisions which affects directly on the sales. These four examples I have given with you all are the from all different domains. My main was that our AI driven solution are not specific to only one particular domain. In fact, if you share the problems with us, we will give you a particular solution for that particular problem. It is highly customizable solution. With such innovative solutions, we are trying to solve people problems and making their life more easy. That's why tens of thousands of customers from the small, mid, and large enterprises to the hottest startups have chosen Droices as their business partner. There are a lot of things I would like to share with you all. In fact, I will share you the actual demo of some few of our products we have built for our business partner with emerging technologies. But for that, I would like to invite my partner Manoj to share few of our innovative products on emerging technologies. Now I will pause myself and thank you everyone. Over to you, Manoj.
Thank you, Pratik, for sharing the valuable information. And I'm getting the goosebumps. And you know how crazy we get when we just talk about the innovation, the ideas. But I'm here to talk about imagine a blind child going towards the well, and you are the one who's keeping an eye on it, and the person falls into the well. Whose mistake is this? So, I am Manoj Chaudhary here on the stage and as an innovation maven for Droices Inc. Today, I would like to share about the Droices innovation frameworks, few use cases. But before that, let me share you one of the coolest story I have for you. When I landed in USA, what happened with me was I was really excited that I will getting a new project. I will be on the desk and I will be talking about it. But things change for everyone, right? So the turnaround was very crazy. I was sitting in the conference room. You know what happened? They didn't give me any project. They were like, I have a question for you. Can you just help out the sales team? I was like, this is not a question. This is a problem which needs to be solved with the technologies. So in Droices, the DNA is solving problems worth solving. That's the aim. And that's what we are focused for. So without just wasting more time, I will be just focusing on my 5 use cases. Okay, so my screen is disabled. Okay, so when we talk about the first use case, I get excited about it. The excitement takes me to another level where I think every of our business partner has sales team. But you know, without sales, nothing moves ahead. So for that, we thought 10-20% people sits in the office and 80% of people are sitting in the off field. So how to connect them? I know you have so much of technologies just there in your mind. I know, but I don't want to connect. I want to build a community where your each minute is utilized when you're there in the field. Your managers, your CEOs, CIOs are able to connect with you and to bring up the right amount of knowledge, information at your desk. So there, I launched the live scan for you. So, hi Shashi, can you allow me to just present the video?
Yeah, sure.
Thanks for that. I appreciate it. Thank you so much, Shashi, for sharing this video demo. So basically, you see, I have the information of the shelf and I'm able to present the object in front of you. So this is where we connect the depth scan. I have cameras everywhere. And cameras, what does they do for me? And now you realize there are thousands, a bunch of cameras everywhere. And what do you do with them? uh, Taking plenty much photos. I know the photos are like I'm also a photogenic guy and I love to take photographs for my social media. But apart from that, I really see a pattern in this. What pattern I see? When I see that these feeds can bring up whole amount of data for everyone, and that data is going to bring me different amount of information which I can present in front of your desk. Now realize when I say your thing is missing from that place. So I went to this liquor store. I was just checking the wines, and that is having the empty space. So I talked to my colleague and I said, like, why these places are empty? Like, I don't know, somebody don't fill them or what they miss out that thing. They said this is a common problem for every like warehouse and retails. This is a common problem. I said, is this a problem or is there no solution right now? So we realized there is a emerging technology which we can brought to you in front of you to realize that there is a tech related solutions available which we can bring it on your desk. So here I talk about the depth scan. So can I have the video, please, Sashi? Now you see, we keep your privacy, we keep the objects with you, we provide the feeds, we provide the information at a glimpse, utilizing every point of time with you. So that's what called the time utilization, connect, community building, and utilizing the valuable feeds from every place. So there we have the Droids innovation framework. So every problem is worth solving over here. So every time we realize the stuff is cool, we don't do it because what we think is the problems which are more critical, let's come with that. It can be any technology which can solve them, but we got a chance under Droid's innovation framework to present a number of technologies, and we are working around. This is just few claims which I'm going to talk about it. So when I talk about the drones, I get excited because I get crazy about it. It's because that's my favorite topic. I can talk it for a whole day about it, you know, because everyone knows this is a fancy thing. There's a hype about it, but no, more than the hype, we have got you covered. So when I talk about drones, flying objects, I know, but what flying objects? Airplane is a flying object, but people fly. But what brings that thing to your doorstep? There are ample amount of information, data, which we can pass through the drones for you. So when I say about the data, I say about mining industries. I talk about retail stores where you can just pass them to send to your doorstep to understand. Let's get this thing, share with you on your desk. And when you get the information, you say, wow, you don't your sales team gets a pump up. Yes, before going to any store, you have the pitch ready. Before going to any place, you have the things at your desk without any movement. So in this pandemic also, we need to locate our movements. You know, that's a very critical situation which is going on. So for that, I have something for you. Can you play the video, Shashi, for the drones? Hundreds of discussions comes in face when we talk about Royce's innovation framework. So that framework where problems worth solving is the only concept for us because we think that's how the technology is driven by the ample amount of solutions we provide. So AI, ML, I can talk for the whole day, but with a limited amount of time, I just want to throw an only question for everyone. If you have any challenge for us, we accept it. We will give a demo. That's everything is. We will make a full-fledged product for you. That's totally on me, on us. Adrois's innovation framework welcomes every challenge and every question. Anything for you, we will do it. And if not, we will give iPhone free. That's our promise. I hope everything goes in order and we bring out a nice product for you and give a collaboration. And not only this, these products are not just for single uses. These are all customizable objects which can be utilized for any industry, clothing, medical, farming, agriculture, every any technology you talk, any platform you talk, we are there for you. So with that, I want to say, keep growing, keep innovating, keep challenging us, and keep inspiring us. Thank you for sharing, giving me the valuable stage, for sharing the Droice's innovation framework. Thanks. See you.